Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we will review and tear down the 2TB Chinese Type-C USB external drive. Cost me $35 and I will suggest you that please do not buy these cheap USB drive. There is no use and waste of money and not reliable at all for your data. Let's do the tear down for this unreliable USB drive, which is available in AliExpress and other online shopping website. I already break it down to show all of you that what's inside. As you can see that this 2-chip single board memory stick. From outside it is very nice and slick looking flash drive, but there is no use of it. I have transferred the data and I lost it every time. So please do not buy these kind of flash drives. Better to buy branded drive which are reliable and quality wise good to save your personal data, or to purchase laptop hard drive and make it as USB drive by using USB flash enclosure. Please like, share and subscribe the channel, and if you have any query or feedback, please post it into comment section.